Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Man-Born Bug detector. This is the K18 detector. And it comes here with a hidden camera detector, GPS spy finder, or a GPS spy finder, a hidden camera detector for a GSM tracker, listening devices, wireless camera bug finder. Really cool. Yeah, multifunctional detection, baby. The K18 detector utilizing advanced technology. It is a directional security instrument designed to detect a vast dropping devices, car trackers, wireless pinhole cameras, surveillance cameras, casino cheating devices, and various other products on the market. This product offers a comprehensive military and police recognition capabilities in that field. Additionally, its ability to detect electromagnetic radiation sources helps to protect us and our family from potential harm caused by such radiations. This detection provides multifunctional detection options, including laser scanning, wireless RF signal detection, and magnetic field detection. With a high sensitivity and wide frequency detection range, it can accurately detect wireless or wired surveillance cameras with 1.2 to 5.8 G, GPS tracking devices, car trackers, magnetic section positioners, and fault. 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card errors for mobile phones, various web droppers, and other equipment. Wow, that's a big bunch of possibility. And we get everything what we need. We have an RF antenna. We have a switch and a sensitive adjusting knob, and a GS magnetic probe. A charging port for easy peasy USB charging, indicator light, a laser switch, and we have an indication for magnetic field detection and a signal intensive detector too. And the inductor for RF signal detection and a mode key and a viewfinder. You see, that is a really cool state-of-the-art device here. Because with the advanced technology and an intelligent chip, the counterintelligence detector works more intelligent and accurately with an ultra-high sensitivity. Intelligent analytics, multi-directional exploration, strong materials, high interference resistance, and an ultra-long detection range. Designed for the various market for bugs and hidden cameras, it is designed to protect our privacy and our family. And easy peasy, the wireless signal detection, for example, we turn off all disruptive devices such as phones, Wi-Fi routers, and so on. We start and adjust the knob under the LED signal intensive indicator has at first level light up indicated that has entered in standby state. And then we start our detection. When the signal intensity indicator has reached level 7, the vibration or the buzzer will work. We can switch between the vibration or buzzer by pressing the M button. The longer the intensity indicator remains on, the closer we are on the suspension object. The longer the intensity indicator stays on, the closer we are there too. And with this meter monitor device, we can feel safer when we are concerned about our privacy in public toilets, hotels, vacation rentals, Airbnb, changing rooms, entertainment venues, business meetings, and school exams. And must, when we are on the road, the perfect security gear for someone we really care about it. And then we have camera detection mode. This detector can detect hidden wired or wireless cameras equipped on standby. And we turn the switch knob, briefly press the laser switch button to the right to activate the LED lamp. We hold the laser switch button to adjust the flicker frequency to suit our needs. And hidden cameras can be scanned using the LED's laser technology and specialized filters. However, such a camera can be accurately located by reflective lighting. And portable and lightweight. It will not burn our trip while protecting our privacy. Super long battery life, 8 up to 10 hours continuous operation, and 7 days standby is possible. No annoying battery replacement or frequently charging. The included instructions are easy to follow and we can get started quickly. And of course, If there is an alarm frequency in a room where there is nothing substantial, such as possible as a lot of valid sources, of course. Magnetic locators and evap droppers are mostly used in automobiles somewhere invisible under the car or hidden on board. Moreover, such magnetic equipment will be installed far away from the surface metal of the car body, and there is a certain distance from the surface metal of the body itself. So it's not recommended to detect the magnetic field directly outside the car body. Better is to check inside. Okay? It's recommended that they replace the magnetic probes close to the area to be detected in the order of our car after opening the front rear covers the zone grid based detection with a short distance. And then the strong magnetic absorber equipped can be easily found with that device here. And this is a professional device to detect bugs and to detect all other stuff out there, like cameras and microphones, which are going to detect you. So you can change the game because this is a game changer for surveillance. This is the K18 detector. It is brings us man born to us, and it makes a good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Done, son.